Shilu and welcome to our first ever edition of Question Me Monday. So for those who don't know how this works, is on every Sunday I put up a poll, a question on Instagram, so you all can ask me any questions you all want. And for those who are not on Instagram, you can go into the comment section and ask your questions in this video for the upcoming week of Question Me Monday. And please do follow me on Instagram. My link will be in the description. So without wasting any time, let's start with this time's questions. So the first question is, once you become an actor, are you going to continue posting videos on YouTube? And if yes, how will you manage it? And what type of content will you post once you become an actor? So if God supports and with all of you fans love, if I am ever be able to make it big in the Bollywood industry, I would always yet want to continue YouTube, because YouTube was what first got me out of my shell, and YouTube is the reason why I'm confident and I'm sitting here so much at ease and speaking to all of you. So I will want to continue YouTube even post my Bollywood life. And also the point is that it's very important if I could have a YouTube team, which would make it easier, that a content creators team, if it's present, then it's very easy then to make YouTube videos and continue that aspect as well with my movies and all. So and about what content I'll be creating is, dance and acting and my story videos. The same thing we would like to continue. I don't know if Retribution will be there at that time. How did you get the idea of Retribution? That one person has asked, and also somebody has asked what sparked the idea of Retribution. So to answer both your questions together is, Retribution has been a very slow process to eventually come up with the entire story of Retribution. You all yet do not know what Retribution has in store for you all, but we have a lot of content coming up in the direction of Retribution. So I'm really excited for that. And how I got the idea was, sometimes you just get the ideas out of nowhere, and that's exactly what happened. And it was a slow build up of slowly getting ideas, and it's like how we put together a puzzle. So even making a story is like putting together a puzzle. So Retribution was just that. The next question was how to earn money from YouTube. So personally, I don't earn money from YouTube yet, but if somebody is asking me that how do you earn money from YouTube, there are two criteria which have to be fulfilled. Number one, you should have 1000 subscribers, and the second thing is you need 4000 watch time hours, not minutes. So once you have got 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch time hours, then your channel will be monetized, and then you can start earning from YouTube. So do you like playing cricket with friends or dancing? So I think so playing cricket with friends is more like a hobby, more like something fun, and dancing is more like, dancing and acting is more like my passion, what I love to do. So I would definitely choose obviously acting and dancing, but I also love to play cricket in my free time. Acting or dancing, what would I choose? Now if somebody would ask me this question maybe 1 or 2 years back, I would say dancing, but as YouTube has grown and as I have grown with YouTube, I prefer acting more than dancing, because that's maybe where I'm heading into, and I'm happy I'm preferring acting over dancing. Money, fame, health and family. What is your preference order? So I would definitely go with health, because health is first, then family, then I would go with money, and then fame. So that would be my preference order. What is your next Retribution video? So my next video, it will take time because there are a lot of characters and a lot of shooting, but the video will be out as soon as possible, and you all will see something very incredible. The name of the video is Retribution Chapter 2, The Dominance. What has been your favorite video on YouTube? Now, not taking into what has been my best video in terms of views or likes or comments or anything that, because ever since I came onto YouTube, I came into a new direction into the field of directing, because directing is part and parcel with YouTube, because if you are a content creator, you have to direct your own videos, because that's the only way how you can portray your vision of yourself and your characters. So I feel a director's perfect video according to me of mine has been Pachtaoge, and I am waiting for the day when I will have a video which I would prefer more than Pachtaoge. But till now I feel from a director's point and from my point, my best video on YouTube has and till now is Pachhtaoge. What's your journey been and what do you see yourself in the future? So my journey has been very interesting on YouTube from the time I started to what we are now. I feel it's been crazy how we have grown together. I mean, how I started the videos as only a dance channel where I was going to be posting videos regularly to now where we have story videos, we have challenges going on. Now I've started a new series known as Question Me Monday. So I feel that the growth has been amazing. Now these questions were on YouTube. Can you tell me how did you get the idea of starting a YouTube channel and when are you going to do a video on wildlife? So I hope I can really get to do a video on wildlife, a vlog on wildlife very soon. I've told you a few of my stories on my previous vlogs, but I haven't been able to do a vlog particularly on a wildlife jungle, so I'm waiting for that. I hope so maybe in the month of May we can have a trip, or maybe in Diwali or Christmas this year I would definitely want to do a wildlife vlog. And how did I get the idea of YouTube? It was just my friends and family who told me that why don't you start with making YouTube videos, because I had a lot of creativity, a lot of ideas in myself, but I didn't know how to portray it. And I'm so thankful that I started a YouTube channel. Will we be seeing you do more comedy? Yeah, I think so. Comedy is another factor that I was really not very confident with before, but now as we are going about doing all these challenges and some funny videos, I feel I would love to do more comedy in the future, and definitely you will get to see me doing comedy in the future. Just what's your favorite genre in acting? So I feel my favorite style in acting is a character which has a lot of depth and a character which is very unpredictable. You know, a villainish character which is very unpredictable would be my favorite choice. And for example, you all can, if you all have seen the movie Thugs of Hindustan, so the character which Amir Khan played as Firangi is one of my favorite characters. And but it's a very difficult character not only to play but also to create. So I'm waiting that when I can create such a character on my YouTube channel. And there's so much more to explore on YouTube that you can never stop. What are your hobbies? So I love traveling. As you have seen my vlogs, I love going to various jungles of India, and I have already been to many, and I would love to continue going to them. Your favorite movie? See, now ever since I've come onto YouTube, I have been seeing movies from a more director's point of view. I've seen a couple of very well directed movies like Drishyam, movies like Talash are really one of my favorite movies. But I would rate Three Idiots as my most favorite movie, and that's absolutely a perfect movie which has been made, and it will always be one of the biggest hits of Bollywood. Which series would you prefer, Dhoom or Krish? Now, see, both have Hrithik, one of my favorite actors, and both are amazing series. But I feel the role which Hrithik played in Dhoom was so much better than the role as a straight up hero. So I feel Dhoom is my favorite series, and I'm very excited for Dhoom 4. So guys, with that we wrap up the first ever Question Me Monday, and I hope you really like this video. I really enjoy doing this. It's something different, and I'm really excited of how we can continue this every single week. And see you guys in my next video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys, and bye bye, take care.